It's Game 1 of the Eastern Conference quarterfinal.
It was a long, tough season, and from here, it only gets tougher.
This series features the Tampa Bay Lightning and the Florida Panthers. Yager! Stemkos takes control of the puck. Fires! Turned away!
What a save off the blocker.
Kucherov. Coburn gets the loose puck. Steven Stemkos. Whips it! Luongo stoned him. Moved up. Centered. Huge shot! Off the post! Callahan finds the loose puck. Johnson gets shoved. Jokinen grabs the puck. Trocheck corrals it. Working along the perimeter, up along the boards, shoots the puck. Trocheck with it now. Stallman stops the shot. Out over the blue line. Moved ahead. Callahan. Into the attacking zone. Cranks it from the right. Passed ahead. Passed across. Advances the puck. Hedman scoops up the loose puck. Rock! Nicely done. McKenzie takes control of the puck. Demers shoots it quickly. Blocked. Stemkos jumps on the loose puck. Shoots it! Vasilevsky gets a pad on it. McKenzie with the puck. Turned over. Quick pass up. Passed ahead. Brings it out. Jaromir Jagr. Paquette gets in the way. Moved ahead. Yandel scoops up the loose puck. The Panthers dump it in. Tampa grabbed it. Paquette. The Lightning dump it. Demers finds it. Namestnikov. Florida grabs it. Demers. Sevior scooped it up. McCann grabbed it. He dumps it. Florida has it. McCann. Quick shot. Garrison takes it. And out they come with a puck. Quick pass up. Wrist shot.
Line 2. Line 3.
Kindle. Played up. Vanek got the puck. Schuster got it. Demers with a wrist shot. Vanek hits the post. Drouin gets thrashed. Pass back. Steven Stemkos finds the loose puck. He gets hammered. Moved ahead. Kucherov. In all alone. Advances the puck. Brings it in. One-timer. Vasilevsky gets a leg on it. Shoots quickly. Stallman stops the shot. Matheson with the puck. Pekka.
Line 2.
He dumps it in on the end boards. Florida has it now. Jokinen. Scoops it up. Matheson gets pushed. Passed ahead. Moved ahead.
Line 1.
And that's icing. Coburn takes control of the puck. That's offside. Face-off goes to Florida. Jonathan Drouin finds the loose puck. He dumps it. Grabbed by Florida.
The first period is over and now comes a critical time in the game. First intermission. This is when coaches adjust their strategies and get their players to correct any first period mistakes.
After a close first period, we're ready to start the second.
Each team needs a good start to shake things up. For them both to make an early statement.
Centers it. Wrist shot. Vasilevsky gets a leg on it.
This man is equally at ease making saves with his gloves or his pads.
Pala. Luongo intercepts the puck. by Tampa. Bjugstad.
Line 2!
Hedman gets a hold of it. Steven Stamkos shoves Ekblad. Steven Stamkos scoops up the loose puck. Shoots! Luongo. Blocker save. Luongo freezes the puck. Short pass. Moved up. Passed ahead. Namestnikov out of their defensive end. Quick pass up. Florida needs to be making a line change soon. Namestnikov. Madison nails him. He's with the puck. Jokinen gets checked. Stralman with the puck. Tampa wins the race and beats out the icing call. Vasilevsky. Garrison takes control. Callahan shoves.
I don't know how he took that one.
The Panthers dump the puck in. Tampa scooped it up.
Line 1, you're out.
Namestnikov. Johnson gets the pass from Vasilevsky. Namestnikov jumps on the loose puck. Johnson. He dumps it in. Picked up by Florida. Bjugstad. Tampa picked it up. Kucherov. In over the line. Along the boards. Steven Stamkos. Bjugstad now has the puck. Florida gobbles it up. Over the line. Schuster turned over at the blue line. Played across.
Line 2.
Over the blue line. Sevior shoots the puck from the slot. Tampa jumps on it. Paquette. Fires it hard. Pad save. Paquette takes control of the puck. Schuster took it. Tampa takes possession. Rolonek. McKenzie. Vanek dumps it in. Tampa scooped it up. Rolonek brings it up. Advances the puck. Passed ahead. Played up. Moved ahead. In over the line. Schuster advances the puck. Passed ahead. Tampa dumps the puck in. Scooped up by Florida. Thomas Vanek. McKenzie has it now. Into the attacking zone. Jaromir Jagr takes possession of the puck. Kucherov. Fired hard from the left. Kucherov corrals it. One-time shot. Jagr gets the pass from Luongo. McKenzie with the puck. The Panthers dump it in. Tampa with it now.
Last minute of play.
Kilmer now with it. He gets shoved. Florida needs to be making a line change soon. Quick pass up. Callahan gets the loose puck. Jokinen.
And that's the end of the second period. 2 down, 1 to go.
Next game and get a ticket for a free burger from any of our concession stands.
Neither team has claimed this game yet.
No, that's right, Jim. The first and second were played fairly evenly.
The faceoff goes to the Panthers. Advances the puck. Bjugstad grabs the puck. Brings it in. In the corner, McCann. Sevior cranks it. Blocked. Played up. Over the blue line. Along the boards. Point gets hold of the puck. Pekka. Backhand shot. He scores!
He let go of the wrist shot, and it paid off handsomely with that goal.
That's right. You don't always have to wind up with a big slapper to get it past the keeper. Ekblad shoots the puck. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. Even Stemkos is great at winning faceoffs.
Jim, it all comes down to anticipation. He's there a split second faster, and that's all it takes.
Moved ahead, advances the puck. Working along the perimeter, played back. Trocheck. Kala knocks him off the puck. Jokinen scoops it up. Gets the shot off. Blocked. Jokinen fires it. Stemkos jumps on the loose puck. Brings it in. Kucherov finds the loose puck. Trocheck. Jokinen grabs it. Matteson. Hackett gives him the business. Trocheck gets hold of the puck.
Line 2.
Kucherov. Ekblad. He's in control now. Killorn. With the wrist shot, Luongo gets the blocker on it. Callahan with the puck. He gets pushed.
That takes him out of the play.
The Lightning come in offside. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Namestnikov gets the loose puck. Shoots it quickly. Blocked. Namestnikov takes control of the puck. McKenzie. Schuster with the puck. Namestnikov gets it. Ahead to the neutral zone. McKenzie with shot. Kindle jumps on the loose puck. Johnson pushes McKenzie. Breakaway. Shoots the puck. Luongo stabs at it. In over the line. Vasilevsky hasn't faced a lot of shots.
That can actually be harder on a goalie. Most of them like a lot of action. It keeps them alert and in the game.
Tampa puts its checking line out. Coburn gets hold of the puck. He gets shoved. Namestnikov takes control of the puck. Coburn shoots quickly. He grabs it. Point. Scores! Beautiful goal.
As soon as the goalie went down, it was all over. Nice backhand on that goal. He put it right past the goalie.
That's a tough stop for any goalie. Florida has time for one last push.
Well, that push is going to take a lot more effort than we've seen in this one.
Shoots the puck. Huberdeau goes wide. Barkov jumps on the loose puck. Quick shot. He scores!
A good wrist shot is hard to stop. And that was a good wrist shot.
Tampa has their lead cut to 1 late in the game.
There's not much time left, but another quick goal would really shake things up.
Right in front. Vasilevsky gets the stick on it. Demers. He knocked him off the puck.
They brought some real grit to the rink.
Vasilevsky made the save. Tampa dumps the puck in. Florida finds it. Bjornstad out over the blue line. Quick pass up. Sevior. Backhand shot. Passed across. Barkov gets the loose puck. Shoots it quickly. Blocked. Sevior takes control of the puck.
Last minute of play in the third.
Huberdeau. Florida sends in the extra attacker.
Jim, it's a gamble. The empty net could mean another goal, and that would ice it.
Fired it. Saved by Vasilevsky. Yendel jumps on the loose puck. McKenzie. He takes over. Yager. Quick shot from the left. Vasilevsky made the save. Yendel intercepts the pass. Moved up. Stemkos cannonading shot. Empty netter. Nothing risked, nothing gained, I guess.
Well, they had to take a chance by pulling the goalie late, and that empty netter sealed the deal in this one.
We're under a minute now, and I'm thinking this one is over.
Jim, I can't argue with you on that one.
Tampa beats out the icing call. Jokinen. Backhands it. Blocked. Played up. advances the puck. Our work is done here. Florida loses the first game of the series.
The best thing to do is use it as motivation. In the playoffs, that can make all the difference.
Tonight's second star for Florida, number 16, Alexander Barkov. Tonight's second star, Tampa Bay, number 21, Braden Point.
From Sunrise, Florida, this is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson.
Until next time, take care.
Goodbye.